Hello everyone. If you are looking to enhance your video footage, today I am walking you through the full Topaz Video AI installation on Windows. By the end, you will have the editor ready to use. Let's begin by fetching the deployment file directly from our website. The moment you open it, the automated wizard takes control, downloading the core and pulling down the libraries to your system drive. The main core is fully extracted now. Let the installation window do its magic to finish linking the components. Sit tight and watch the progress bar complete the whole process on its own. Now we boot up the Topaz Video AI editor for the first time to verify the workspace. We will open the main timeline to make sure the side panels are perfectly responsive and everything is in place. The entire setup is calibrated, verified, and completely ready to use. Head over to our webpage right now to grab the full version of Topaz Video AI and start enhancing your footage today.